want to give a pancake, you want some cereal to go with it.
Oh, cereal. Nom, 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 nom.
When she gets old sticky, she will want to take a bath.
Take a bath. Oh, where's bubble, soap, bubble, and toy?
Bra.
Okay.
After, when you give her your rubber duck, she will feel homesick.
Rubber duck. Oh, sorry. Quack. Okay. Feel homesick. Feel homesick. Where's my pen?
Later, when she finds your those tap shoes, she will want to dance.
Tap shoes. Oh, tap shoes. Dance.
And
Oh, music. I want to take a picture, okay? Eureka, take a picture for me. Okay, next.
and when she starts to dance, she want to take her picture.
Yeah, you already take a picture.
And
Thank you, narrator.
okay, when she see pictures, she want to send one to each of her friends.
Envelope and stamp.
Yes.
Give me envelope and stamp. Okay, what is the next?
When you take her to a mailbox, she will see a tree in your backyard.
Take me to the mailbox.
Yes. Mailbox is here. So, later,
I see the tree. Oh, I want to build a tree house.
Yes.
Okay, finished.
The tree house is finished. You want to decorate.
Decoration. My wallpaper and glue. Wallpaper and glue.
This and this is good.
Okay. Okay, I finished the wallpaper and the glue.
It seems the pig is very exhausted. When he hangs out the wallpaper, she wants to get all sticky and want to remember your favorite mango cereal.
Oh, already get sticky. All over the glue. I remember.
Cereal.
Pancake and cereal. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.